How to sync progress in Encode. If you have been using the Encode application and wondering on how to sync progress on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Encode application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto Settings at the top right corner. Select it. Now scroll down and here you can find Sync Progress right here. Now to sync progress, you need to sign in with Google or Apple. Now sync with the Apple or Google ID that you have used before and simply sync it. Now tap onto one and sign in. Now it is signing in, and after doing that your progress will be synced. And now you can see it is synced. And that's it. This is how you can sync progress in the Encode application. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.